Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Plants Care by Abhishek. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Jade plant, which is also known as lucky plant. Some people also believe that this plant helps you to increase your wealth, hence they highly recommend this plant to place at home. If you also have this plant at your home, or if you are thinking to buy this plant, then this video is going to be very important for you, because in this video we are going to discuss about all caring tips of Jade plant. I request you all to watch this video till end, because this video is not only going to help your Jade plant to survive, but also will help to make your plant healthy and bushy. Before we start the video, I request you to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button so that you can get the notification for all my upcoming videos. Without any further delay, let's start our video. In first point, we will discuss about whether it is an indoor plant or an outdoor plant. In many places or in many videos, you must have seen people asking to place this plant indoor. However, I would request you not to do so, because this is not an indoor plant. This is a semi-succulent category of plant, and this plant needs direct sunlight for 2 to 3 hours on daily basis. If you will place this plant in shady area, then the leaf of this plant will start falling down and this plant will die in next 15 to 20 days. Hence, I would request you to place this plant at least in the area wherein it can get 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight on daily basis. Let's talk about point number 2, which is one of the most important point to discuss. Friends, in this point we are going to discuss about watering in Jade plant. This plant do not require much watering. In winters, this plant need water in 8 to 10 days. However, in summer, my suggestion is to give water in regular interval of 2 to 3 days. This is a semi-succulent category of plant, and the stems of this plant already keep water stored in itself. Hence, if you will overwatering this plant, it will definitely not survive. However, if you will do less watering, even if the soil is dry, the plant can grow easily and happily. Point number 3 is all about potting mixture. When you bring this plant from nursery to your home and prepare the potting mixture for this plant, my suggestion is to prepare it in 50, 30 and 20 ratio, wherein 50% garden soil, 30% river sand and 20% vermicompost you can add into this potting mixture. Since this plant do not like moisture very much, hence my suggestion is not to add coco peat into the potting mixture, because coco peat keep water it store in itself and it may result your Jade plant dying very soon. Hence, while making potting mixture for this plant, always keep this point into your mind that your potting mixture should not support overwatering, and whenever you do overwatering to this plant, it should come out from the drainage hole. Friends, let's discuss about its fertilizer now. Do not give much fertilizer to this plant. This is a very low maintenance plant and hence doesn't require any kind of fertilizer to grow further. If you fulfill its watering and sunlight requirement, which we have discussed in earlier points, then it doesn't need any kind of fertilizer further. However, if you still feel at any point of time that you need to give fertilizer to this plant, then you can add a bit vermicompost into its pot in regular interval of 1 or 2 months. In fifth point, let's discuss about how can we make this plant bushy. Friends, at any point of time, if you see any of its stem growing from one side only, then what you need to do is you need to cut that stem. Benefit of that cutting stem is in few days you will see 2 further stems growing from that point. Friends, let me show you one stem which I had cut few days back, and you can see there are 2 stems which is growing further from that point. This is the way by which you can make your plant bushy. Pruning for this plant is very important, so I would suggest to do this activity once in a month so that your plant also start looking bushy and healthy. Friends, I hope you liked the information which I have provided in this video. If you really liked the information, I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you can get the notification for all my upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.